close your eyes gently and allow your body to settle into stillness. Take 3 slow, deep inhales and exhales. With every exhale, release heaviness and tension. Now bring your awareness to each part of your body, inviting it to relax completely. Relax your forehead and let all thoughts drift away. Relax your eyebrows and the space between them. Relax your eyes, soft and calm. Relax your nose, your ears, and the muscles around them. Relax your mouth, unclenching your jaw, letting your tongue rest easily. Relax your cheeks and your chin. Relax your neck, allowing it to feel supported. Relax your shoulders, letting them drop, free from all burdens. Relax your arms, hands, and fingers, letting them grow loose and heavy. Relax your chest, soft and open. Relax your abdomen, free and at ease. Relax your legs, thighs, and calves, letting them sink into stillness. Finally, relax your feet and toes, grounding you completely. Your body is now fully calm and at peace. Remain for 5 minutes. This meditation uses the power of your imagination to cleanse your soul and body. The cleansing garden visualization. The flower garden. Imagine you are standing in a beautiful, vibrant flower garden. The air is fresh, and you are completely surrounded by blossoms of every color, joy, and peace. As you look around, you feel an immediate sense of happiness and joy. Take a moment to breathe in the floral scent, letting your mind feel lighter and clearer. Walk forward. Take a slow walk along a path. You notice the flowers blossoming right before your eyes. A natural, genuine smile comes to your face as your feeling of joy deepens. Sounds of nature. Listen closely. You can hear the gentle chirping of birds, and their song seems to be telling you that everything is peaceful. Feel an even deeper sense of happiness now. Winds embrace. A soft, cool breeze moves over your skin. You can hear the wind whispering in your ears, a gentle whoosh-wash sound. And with every breath, you feel lighter and lighter, witnessing life. Look ahead and see butterflies and bees gracefully collecting nectar. This simple, natural activity reinforces the beauty and harmony of life around you, amplifying your inner joy. Releasing negativity. The balloons of release. Reach into your pocket and pull out a handful of colorful balloons, blowing it out. One by one, you begin to blow into the balloons. As you exhale into the first one, imagine you are completely filling it with all your negativity, anger, sadness, and stress. You are breathing out tension and depressed feelings. Tie and let go. Tie the neck of the balloon tightly, sealing the negative emotions inside. Then gently release the balloon into the sky. Watch it float higher and higher until it becomes a tiny speck and then disappears completely. Repeat. Continue this process for each balloon, releasing all your negative emotional weight until every single balloon is gone. Feeling lighter. By now, you notice your body feels immensely lighter, and you are stress and tension-free. Inviting positive energy, positive inflow. Now, sense a beautiful, warm, positive energy all around you. This energy is like a gentle, healing wind. In with the good. As you stand, you feel this positive energy flowing into your body through your back and into your heart. Out with the old. Simultaneously, any remaining residual negative energy is naturally expelled from the front of your body with every breath, completing the purification. You are now a channel for pure, positive light. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep, final breath and slowly open your eyes, carrying with you the profound sense